So you're thinking about moving to Gulf Shores, Alabama? Well, listen, in our series of new construction, we are in a neighborhood called Aventura. We've already done one video on Aventura where we walked you through the neighborhood. So today what we're going to do is just take you through a finished product here. We're going to take you through one of the houses, tell you all there is to know about that house. And remember, with new construction, these are DR Horton homes, so they do have the great incentives right now where you can get the rates really, really low. Or a lot lower than what they are through conventional financing. And so anyway, we're going to walk you through one of these homes in Aventura. And listen, be sure and watch all the videos in this series because we're going to show you all the new construction, or a lot of the new construction around the Gulf Shores, Orange Beach area. And then we're also going to tell you, we're going to do an interview with the builder, with the representative for the builder. And then we're also going to do comparison as far as rent and what you can buy one of these things for, and show you the all-in cost. Let's get to it. Hey guys, if it's your first time to the channel, do yourself a favor and hit that like button, subscribe button, and ring that little bell so that you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to learn about what it's like to actually live in the Orange Beach, Gulf Shores area, and all the surrounding areas. You know, the beach life. Listen, I'm Andy Hollis, along with my partner, Aileen Fountain. We do these videos every single week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live at the beach. So whether it's 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months until you're thinking about making your move, don't hesitate to pick up that phone and give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, set up a Zoom call. Just get in touch with us any way you can. We would love to help you make a smooth move to our little slice of paradise. We get phone calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, today we are in Aventura. This is a cool neighborhood. There's like 59 houses left that are going up in here. Aileen's going to do a walkthrough on one of the finished products. And so anyway, let's just get to the walkthrough and tell you everything there's to learn about Aventura.
Come on in. All right, guys, we are here at the Holly floor plan in Aventura. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, a 2,524 square foot home. It is listed at $553,900. This is a step up. So this was actually a Trulin build, which Trulin used to be the second largest builder in our area, and DR Horton has bought them out. So there's 16 Trulin built homes in this subdivision left. They are a little bit higher in price, but as you're going to see as we walk through here, the finishes are a lot nicer in the Trulin homes. So that's why you see the price bump, but you can still get in this neighborhood. They range from $453 to $587. So that's your range to come into this neighborhood. And it's going to be dependent on DR Horton versus Trulin, the inside finishes, and of course the square footage. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, so let's check it out. So in here you do have what's kind of the formal dining here off to the right. Beautiful fireplace here. Nice kitchen. As you can see, these are nicer countertops, gas stove, nice backsplash. Built-in microwave up here. And if you'll notice, updated sink, faucet, the pantry, all the closets are going to have built-out wooden shelves versus the wire shelving. People really appreciate that. And then over here, you've got a breakfast area, which is nice to have off the kitchen. And really, this is a flex room back here. It kind of acts as a secondary living room. Could be a number of things, playroom, whatever you wanted to use it for. we'll check out this wing right over here. Here you're going to have a bedroom with a walk-through Jack and Jill into the next bedroom. So go ahead and take them through, Andy. This little mud area is one of my favorite features that I see in a lot of the true and built homes. I just love that extra nook and that space there. So. And just a typical laundry area here, and then your garage here. Let's go check out the other wing. Here we've got a guest bedroom and a bathroom. Nice primary in here. This bathroom's got a nice dual vanity, 2 individual closets in here. Private toilet and a really nice stand-up tile shower. Okay guys, that's going to do it for our walkthrough of the Holly here in Aventura. This was originally a Truland home built. DR Horton now owns Truland. I wanted to just kind of talk about a little bit, as we mentioned in some other videos, the step ups. Rayleigh Farms, you can get into that neighborhood in the $300,000 price point, but that is going to be a different finishings, different, 8-foot ceilings. It's not going to have all the extras. Vinyl siding versus hardy and brick. So a lot of these different subdivisions are going to be, based on square footage and how they build it out is going to also tell you what kind of cost price range you're going to be in. So Aventura is going to be a step up from Rayleigh Farms. These are both very closely located from one another. We're talking about just a couple minutes apart. Both are in excellent locations. Both have subdivision pools, so they have the extra amenities. Both are very large subdivisions. Like I mentioned before, there's 59 homes left to be completed to finish out Aventura. So if this is attractive to you, you definitely want to come check this one out. Hope you found the content helpful. If this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions and what it's like to actually live here. The beach life. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, we hope to see you around town.